The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has officially finalized a landmark rule that overhauls its medical device quality system. This new rule is called the Quality Management System Regulation, or QMSR. It effectively replaces the long-standing 21 CFR Part 820 Quality System Regulation that has been in place for over 2 decades. The core of this change is the FDA's decision to incorporate by reference the Global Consensus Standard, ISO 1345-2016. This is a monumental step towards global regulatory harmonization. For years, manufacturers selling in both the United States and other major markets, like Europe or Canada, have had to maintain 2 slightly different quality management systems. This created redundant processes, extra paperwork, and increased compliance costs. In theory, this new QMSR should streamline operations for global companies. However, the challenge lies in the details. This is not a simple replacement of one regulation with another. The FDA is not completely relinquishing its own authority and has carved out specific additions to the ISO 1345 framework. Companies must understand that simply being ISO 1345 certified does not guarantee compliance with the new QMSR. For instance, the FDA is retaining its stringent requirements for device traceability, particularly concerning unique device identifiers, or UDIs. There are also specific clauses related to complaint handling, servicing, and labeling that will look familiar to those accustomed to the old Part 820 system. This creates a hybrid model where companies must adhere to the entire ISO 1345 standard, plus these specific FDA additions. The immediate impact is that every single medical device manufacturer selling in the US must take action. The final rule has a 2-year transition period, making it effective on February 2, 2026. This means companies must conduct a thorough gap analysis of their current quality system against the new QMSR. Consider a European company that is already certified to ISO 1345. Their team must now meticulously map their existing processes to the FDA's specific add-ons to ensure no compliance gaps exist. For a legacy US-based manufacturer that has only ever operated under Part 820, the task is much larger. They face a complete overhaul of their system, moving towards the risk management-centric approach of ISO 1345, which may require significant retraining and a cultural shift within the organization. The FDA will also be adapting its inspection technique, moving from the Quality System Inspection Technique, or QSIT, to a new harmonized approach. Failing to prepare for this new inspection focus could result in significant regulatory action after the deadline. Navigating this transition requires careful planning and deep regulatory expertise. For companies looking to understand how this major shift impacts their product portfolio and global strategy, specialized guidance can be invaluable. You can contact Pure Global for expert support by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting our website at https:/pureglobal.com.